In Dream Loom Stories, let's open the story of today's Once Upon a Tiny Dream.
A tiny water drop was sitting in a puddle on a leaf. The sun shone brightly, and the leaf felt very warm. "Oh," said the water drop, "I feel so light." It got lighter and lighter until it floated up, up, up into the air, becoming invisible. It was now called vapor. High in the sky, it met millions of other tiny vapor drops. It was much cooler up there, and they all huddled together to keep warm, forming a big, fluffy cloud. Soon, the cloud was too full and heavy. Whoosh! The water drop, now much bigger, fell back down to the earth. "I'm Rain!" it shouted, landing with a plip in a brand new puddle, ready for a new journey.
In Dreamland, the fairy watches the celestial message, a promise that every tiny dream will shine. She says, keep dreaming, keep discovering. Subscribe for more tiny Dream Loom stories, a promise of wonders yet to come.